Hello, sir. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, hello. I am Dr. Om Sharma.
Yeah.
I'm doctorate in organic chemistry and I am heading Regulatory Affairs Department in Hubergroup India.
Okay.
I have more than 20 years of experience in different industries. I work in agrochemicals, pharmaceuticals, in research and development, and based on the new trend into the market and the aspect of regulatory affairs which is more relevant to the industries, I moved to the regulatory affairs department in 2016.
Okay.
And so now it's almost 10 years. I am associated with Hubergroup India as a head of regulatory affairs and department, and we are dealing with all kind of uh, regulatory compliance in our company.
Okay.
So this is all about me.
Okay. So how did you find GPC?
Yeah, it's a very interesting chapter. There was an event into the Vapi area, and Dr. Nair, introduced me to the GPC at that time. And now, from since I think more than 5 or 6 years, I am associated with GPC
Okay.
and
That's nice.
RRMA.
Okay.
So, principally, this is the only one association I can see in the regulatory association. This is the which is related with regulatory part. I'm member of many associations in different industries for ink, for pigments, for chemicals, ICC, all events I have attended. But this is the only association I can see in India who deliver with the regulatory.
Okay.
So I'm very happy to be a part of this regulatory association.
So we are happy that you're part of it as well. So how do you see ACF 2025 contributing to global dialogue on building safer and more sustainable competitive chemical industry?
I think these are fancy words which we are facing from many years regarding sustainability, regulatory compliance. Uh, I'm into the advocacy with the BIS and ICC many times, and I see the lectures from the very experts about the sustainability, green chemistry, greenhouse effect, carbon footprint. But practically, where we are, this is the main questions which is more concerns to me. Uh, all the MNCs, which is basically multinational companies, are following certain rules, regulations, and they have their own specific departments in their company who really deliver these kinds of activities. Uh, Apart from MNCs, we have a concern with small industries. Maybe they are more um, resist such kind of things, but it's must and it's very necessary for a long term business for sustainability. So basically, when you are talking about sustainability, in my past event with the Indian Chemical Council, I was the speaker of sustainability, and I used to put a one very good terminology which is regulatory sustainability, which was missing into various events. They are talking about supply chain sustainability, operational sustainability, raw material sustainability, but they never talk about the regulatory sustainability. So, as a regulatory person, I always insist that if you are much more clear about regulatory and if you follow the regulatory aspects and regulatory norms, then your business will more sustainable than what it is it at
Yes,
moment.
correct. Yes.
So in future, because all the countries, just like we are into different sections right now, we have a lot of speakers who are talking about the GHS, the REACH kind of activities. So all countries are already moving into the regulatory part, and based on their experience, probably India will also start at something in a very shorter time. And if once it is in the place, then definitely regulatory sustainability is one of the major topic in the our country. So I think this is the sustainability, especially in terms of regulatory, is a must part, and all industries has to follow it to grow their business and to make their more sustainable business in the future.
Okay. Okay. So ACF is helping.
ACF is, I think I have attended last year also, and ACF is one of the platform where they are educating the industries. That's what exactly they need to maintain their to make this business sustainable in future. So it is the most important platform where all the industries have to be participate and has to be understand the future aspect of the sustainability, not only in terms of productivity, the cost,
Yes.
environment, but also for regulatory side.
Yes. 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 I agree. So, in your view, what are the biggest regulatory and sustainability challenges currently facing the chemical sectors, and how Asia should respond?
I think because we are located geographically in Asia Pacific region, so as I told you already that MNCs are following certain rules.
Yes.
The biggest task is to uh, maintain such kind of sincerity into our small industries, medium-sized industries, to educate them, to understand them that regulatory is one of the biggest aspect if you want to have your more sustainable business. So I think sustainability part, regulatory part is the most important thing for Asia Pacific region, and we are growing. Our vision from the Prime Minister is very clear: make in India, made in India, and we are using local sources. So building our own in-house technology is always good, but same time we have to grow in terms of regulatory aspect also. There are a lot of acts, lot of laws, lot of Indian standards are already moving around. Bureau of Indian Standard is publishing, I think, a lot of standards on daily basis. So awareness is more important, and such kind of platforms for the associations, for regulatory associations, for the events has to be adopted by all the industries, and especially the Asian countries are already moving. Malaysia, Thailand, China, Singapore, these are Taiwan, Philippines. They are already started doing their own very good job. So why India cannot?
Yes.
So in future you will see a very good progress in India, and lot of things are already on the papers. We just need to be put into their minds.
Yes, correct, sir. So, how can government, industries, and international bodies better collaborate to align regulations while encouraging innovation and trade?
Yes, I'm also associated with Indo-German Forum, which is the main forum which is created to transform the European regulation into India. So I was participate a lot of events based in Mumbai, and this is driven by the Affair Ministry. And if you see from last many years, our pharmaceutical sectors has been changed lots. Now automobile sector is also now changed. You will see the BS6 and the new features into your vehicles are because of this transformation. So it's always India is already having this such kind of platforms where they are transforming things, but they need more and more to the chemical side, which is missing at moment. We are talking about GHS, and India is not following GHS as movement. So GHS is such kind of regulations has to be in place in India, and I think government is already working as far as I know, and but advocacy is also required. So industries and the regulatory bodies or government bodies have some intermediate bodies who regulated these things and advocate to the ministry that what kind of documents and what kind of regulations has to be drafted in a such a way that all industry can accept it very well. So this kind of advocacy is definitely required.
Yes. So, what do you think the role technology and digital transformation such as AI, RIMS, and data transparency play in shaping future of chemical compliance?
Um, Actually, I'm not from IT side, so I cannot comment more on the AI part. But AI is booming right now.
Yes.
We have Chat GPT, and we can prepare our presentation very easily. We can anyway we are using the mobiles for Siri and Alexa for answering our questions without using the devices. So I think AI is the good future for technology side, but same times we have to be careful for the misuse of this AI. Okay, if you started everything with your own instruments, then your brain will become dead. So it's better to make it more combination of your mind and your equipments both together has to be work parallelly.
Yes, I agree. So, finally, what message would you like to share to the next generation of professionals working towards responsible and sustainable chemical management?
Yeah, I think I have a very clear message to all the new generations that please follow rules, regulations, not only in your personal life but also in your professional life, and follow the guidelines